Hello, my name is Dr. Coleman. I just want to highlight a few things regarding uh, the Evernote, something that have learned, which is really interesting. The first thing, which is just obvious, that you can just create notes. Okay, I did like a table, work. I meet with principal, school, create 5 tutorial videos, and I can insert a table. I can insert attachment, photo, checkbox, sketch. You can do Google Drive and so forth. You can also share it to an email, and so things of that nature. The thing that I found so interesting between uh, Evernote, which makes it a little different from a lot of other tools, is its ability to synchronize what you do on the computer with what you do on your mobile device. It can synchronize it. Where if I create a note on my computer, it's automatically synchronized with the iPhone app that I have downloaded to my phone. And another thing that's interesting with this is that I can create a voice memo on my phone within Evernote. So let me just stop sharing for a moment. Um, and so let me just go back to, I guess, the home section on my phone for the Evernote. So this is Evernote on my mobile device, and I want to select new. So new is selected, and I can select this microphone. Hello, my name is Dr. Coleman, and you can see it's recording my voice, my sound at the top, even as I'm talking. I want to stop that. Okay. And if I go to Evernote, let me just go ahead and just share my screen one more time. It says just a few seconds ago there was an audio. So let me just, okay, so I downloaded it right there. So I think that's very powerful that you can write notes within Evernote and also uh, tape yourself in terms of audio writing home. Hello, my name is Dr. Coleman. Okay, so I just taped this on my phone using Evernote, and it automatically synchronizes to the computer, and I was able to just download this as an MP4A, which is really interesting. Another thing I can do with the Evernote on my phone, I can access my camera on here. So through the Evernote, so it says Evernote would like to access my phone camera. So there are different things that you can do in this Evernote. You can use pictures. You can record video. And the ability for things to be synchronized. So I can envision writing some notes into my phone with an Evernote and then doing a voice note right into the Evernote. So perhaps I write down what this is about, and then the audio is recorded, and the ability for it to synchronize between the computer and my cell phone means that anytime I record audio using my cell phone, it in a sense can become like a repository, so that I can move this to my Google Drive now. If it's here within Evernote on my computer, I can move this directly into Google Drive. So now I can have a repository in the cloud of just video notes that I have made, video as well as, um, audio as well as notes that I've typed. So this is a very unique type of tool, and the ability to use it on your phone and on the computer and to go back and forth with that. And you can make this shareable. So let's say, and I can do the same thing from my phone. I can do a link and I can share my my audio with someone in a different location. So this is Evernote. My name is Dr. Kendall Coleman.